you want YouTube success, you've got to think of ways to make money. One way is to sign up to affiliate schemes. So every time you upload to YouTube, you've got your affiliate links in there so you can start earning money and start having a better lifestyle. To earn residual income when you're on holiday and have some luxury in your life. Go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to upload defaults. And in there you've got description. Put your affiliate links in there. Subscribe here. Go to playlist or watch another video.